Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be talking about Amazon affiliate marketing for beginners. By the end of this video, you're going to have a complete strategy on how to get started with Amazon and with Amazon affiliate marketing. And also, if you stay towards the end, I'm going to show you how you can make even more money using affiliate marketing. So let's get right into it. So first, why Amazon? Amazon Associates, which is the name of Amazon's affiliate program, is one of the best affiliate programs for beginners. Amazon has millions of products you can affiliate for, making Amazon Associates one of the most diverse programs. You can affiliate for almost anything. Amazon is trusted by millions, making the conversion rate or the percent of people that buy when they visit very high. Things to know. Affiliates earn commissions by creating unique links or product links and promoting these links on their website and or app or social media, driving referral traffic back to Amazon. Once your application to sign up is approved, to be approved, you will need an app or website or social media. You will be given a unique associate ID and will be able to create affiliate links for your products offered by Amazon. Once someone clicks on the link and makes a purchase, the affiliate will earn a commission. The commission rate differs depending on the product category. The link below will be included for the full details. You will also get a percentage of everything a customer buys from Amazon within 24 hours of when they arrive on Amazon via your affiliate link, meaning you will get more revenue from products that you aren't specifically promoting. So, for example, if I were promoting a cat suit, and you click on my blog that's about cat suits, and I have links to cat suits, affiliate links to Amazon for cat suits. If you click on that link to go purchase a cat suit and decide to buy catnip as well, I will receive a commission for both the cat suit and the catnip. So there's an example for you. So traffic. YouTube, this would be my first recommendation. YouTube is great because you can get started for free and don't need a website. You can do this without showing your face or making videos. You can start any type of channel in any type of niche or category. YouTube videos become super passive after you've built up your channel as well. And I've included some examples. So here on the left, Gizmo Hub, you can see that they have affiliate links to Amazon here, and they even include links to Kickstarter products as well. And on the right, Top Tech Now, they have Amazon affiliate links as well, and they even include different marketplaces. They have the U.S. marketplace, the U.K., the Canada, which is really smart for them to do. So there's some good examples for you. The next traffic source I would recommend is short form vertical videos. Short form video can be repurposed for multiple platforms: TikToks, Instagram Reels, Pinterest Idea Pins, YouTube Shorts, even Facebook Reels. This is great for getting fast traffic and reach, as platforms are promoting short form video content big time right now. So it's a huge opportunity. An example. So here, this woman here named Cherish and Favor, she promotes different products from all over the web, mainly Amazon. And you can see here, if you were to click on her beacons, you would see this, which has different links to all sorts of things, including an Amazon storefront. Another example would be Cat Bin. Here she promotes all sorts of products as well, mainly Amazon products. And if you were to click on her link, you would land on this landing page to different links to different marketplaces, which is a good idea. This is the U.S. market, the Canada, and the England. I mean the United Kingdom. SEO. This would be my next and final traffic source I recommend. SEO is very similar to YouTube, but the content is text and images for the most part. Amazon affiliate websites can be flipped up to 30 to 40 times more than what they revenue each month. So, for example, if you had a website doing a few hundred, you could flip that website for a few thousand, which is pretty crazy. You can set up product review / comparison sites in any niche and link to relevant things. You can set up an Amazon affiliate store, which is just a selection of affiliate products. You can set up a blog talking about any topic and link to products you like and use and will need more volume. So these are different ideas you can go about promoting Amazon affiliate products. So and below I will leave some examples of this, and also I'll leave some videos that I recommend you watch to get more information on how to set this all up. So here's some examples. So here on the left, we have Gear Petrol, which here is just an example of a section of one of their articles. You can see here they have a little short description of the product, an image of the product, and a link to it. A nice simple header. And on the left, this is from, what is this? Top 10 something. I can't see it. Top10.com. Yes. So, Sunbasket, you see they have the product name and a nice image, and they have a link to it, a short description. And these both were like top 10. This right here was top 10 products, and this was something like top 10 or best of something. So these are both some websites you could check out and replicate and start ranking. Amazon Associates Alternatives. So Amazon Associates Alternatives. Some of them some of the best include Amazon, Walmart, AliExpress, eBay, Partner Network, Target, Etsy, GearBest, ShareSale, ClickBank. There's all sorts, really. Wish. You can always search around for niche specific programs. Always a good idea to diversify. Some programs may pay more as well. I know programs like networks like ShareSale, a lot of times will have higher commissions for a lot of products. And it's also, you can find great digital products on sites like ClickBank. And so it's really great. You can check around and, mix it up. You don't have to rely on just Amazon. Bonus. So here's the bonus method for you. High ticket affiliate marketing. The complete opposite of Amazon Associates, really. Amazon is low ticket, all about getting high volume. Typically you'll make around like a few bucks off of a sale, if even that. So you're going to need a lot of volume to make that work. High ticket's all about quality, less volume. You can get paid $1,000+ per sale rather than a few bucks. It's easier and faster, and you can learn with the first link below. So if you're interested in getting into high ticket instead of low ticket, I check that out. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Feel free to like and subscribe for more. I hope that was super valuable to you. And of course, you can always leave a comment if you have any questions. You can also feel free to message me on Facebook. I'll leave a link for that as well. And I can always help you out, give you, more detailed help. So yeah, thanks you for watching. My name is Isaiah Johnson, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.